Of the same thing, because what's happened is, once Ariel Henry was not allowed to return back to the country, and that's also under speculation as to whether or not the U.S. planned this or whether or not it was really the armed groups that prevented him from coming back into the country. The U.S. decided to put in a plan to basically, their whole goal is to say free and fair elections, because they keep saying that as if elections under certain terms, under these terms, actually are free and fair. But this presidential council was handpicked by the U.S. The participants of the presidential council was handpicked by the U.S. using the CARICOM, the Caribbean countries, to be part of. So they handpicked these people to be part of the presidential council. The participant who were already handpicked had to actually agree that the first thing that they would sign on to would be an international intervention into Haiti. You had to agree to the terms of the U.S.